Hello, here we will see how to solve algebraic equation when we have variables on both sides of the equality, right? Earlier we saw that the variable was only on one side, mainly on the left hand side of equality. Now again, is it an algebraic equation? Yes, it is. Why? Equation because we have equal to sign, algebraic because we have a variable here, right? We could have more than one variable. Well, we are doing at present with one variable. Now notice we have x, the variable, on both sides of the equation, even on the left and on the right. Now earlier we only had numbers on both sides and we were getting rid of numbers from both sides. This time we'll like to have numbers on the right side and the variables on the left side. Now how to do that? The policy or the principle and the strategy is same. First, let's get rid of this number 1 from here. Okay, how do we do that? So we'll take away 1 from both sides, and this time I'm going to write it in slightly different form. I'll not write -1 and then do it. Now I'll write 2x plus 1 minus 1 equals to x plus 4 minus 1. So I took away -1 from both the sides. So once I do that, I'm left with 2x equals to x, and 4 minus 1 is 3. Now we have extra x here. We don't want it here. We just want a number here. So what will I do? I'll take away x from both the sides and I'll write in this form. 2x minus x is equals to x plus 3 minus x. Now what is 2x minus x? It is x. So it is x equals to x minus x is 0. We are left with 3 on right side. So x equals to 3. That is our answer, right? Now let's check it. How will you check it? So let's put x in the left side. So we have 2 times 3 for x plus 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And on the right side, x is 3 plus 4, which is 7. Yes, they are equal. So correct. Let's do the next one in a similar fashion. So first thing, what will you do? Get rid of this 3. But this 3 is minus this time. So we will add 3 on both sides. Follow the steps. 5x minus 3 plus 3 equals to x plus 13 plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 is 0. We are left with 5x. 5x equals to x plus 13 plus 3 is 16. Now we will take away x. So we have 5x minus x equals to x plus 16 minus x. Now 5x minus x is 4x equals to 16. X minus x is 0. So how will you find x? You divide by 4. So we have 4x divided by 4 equals to 16 divided by 4, which leads to x equals to 4. Now is that the right answer? Let's check it again. So if you plug 4 here, substitute 4 here on the left side, you get 4 times 5 is 20 and 20 minus 3 is 17. Let's do it here. 4 plus 13 is 17. Yeah, it works, correct? This is important to check. Let me take you to the next example. I think by now you've understood the method of doing it. So do it with me. So first step, we'll get rid of 1. Second, we'll get rid of this x from the right side. Let's do elimination of this number 1. So we'll do it by 2x plus 1 minus 1. X minus 4 minus 1. So we get 2x equals to minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Now it's the turn to remove x from right hand side. How do we do this? 2x minus x equals to x minus 5 minus x. Did you notice we did the same operations on both the sides? In equality, if you do same operations on both the sides, equation remains same or equivalent. Okay, so these are all equivalent equations. So we get here 2x minus x is just x, and here we are left with minus 5. So x equals to minus 5 is our answer. Let's check it out. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. Okay, minus 5 times 2 is minus 10, and minus 10 plus 1 is also minus 9. So that's correct. It's good to check, right? X minus 3, we'll get rid of minus 3 from here. How? By adding 3 on both sides. So we get like this, x minus 3 plus 3 equals to 3x plus 1 plus 3. So we are left with just x here because minus 3 plus 3 is 0. And here we have 3x plus 1 plus 3 is 4. Now it's turn to get rid of 3x from the right hand side. How do we do that? X minus 3x both sides. So 3x plus 4 minus 3x. What is x minus 3x? It is minus of 2x equals to 4. Now we will divide by minus 2. So we have minus of 2x equals to 4 divided by minus 2. So when I divide by minus 2 I get 1. So I am left with x equals to 4 divided by minus 2 is minus 2. Should we again check? Yes, we should. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. And here if I write minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. And minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Correct. So that is a very simple way of solving our equations, even when we have variables on both the sides. Now you are well equipped to solve equations. Go ahead and solve equations in any book. Thanks. If you have difficulties, do get to me. I'm always here to help you out. Thank you.